What's up, everyone? We're back here with near-death experience. I haven't really figured out what to do, but that's why we're playing, I guess. I don't like these sounds. These sounds are still being weird. I hope I don't have to... Oh, you're right at the end of the hallway. You've been looking for me, haven't you? Oh, you... right off the bat. Like, what happens if he comes at me? Oh, okay. We're gonna dodge you. You're nasty. Get out of here, you nasty. Are you on my... Dude, how fast are you? I can hear you. He's right behind me. Oh my god, get out of here. You creep. Is there more than one? Okay, I don't know where the pages are. I have to wait for the screaming. That's really hard to look for the pages when some douchebag's on your back. Luckily, I can sprint forever like a Superman. Alright. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. No. I think there is more than one. I can't really tell. Yeah, I want to see what happens. Let's see what happens. Alright, well that's not so bad. Kinda weird, kinda creepy. He just like looks at you like, Arr! Alright. I don't like the massive, like, just like the loud noises are just annoying. More than anything. Can I close doors? Can I? That'd be really nice. I wonder if I can. I would like to hide in the toilet. No. Can I interact with anything? I know my flashlight turns on and off. Grab, touch. T for touch. No. Alright. I guess this is just me doing this with my friends. Loud noise could come on anytime now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, do I have to start all over again? Alright, I wonder if I could grab the page ahead of time. Because I know where it's at. Page grab. No? Okay. Oh, this is going to be annoying. Oh, let's talk to the clown thing. Whatever the heck this is. Whatever you are. What are you? Shadow boy. Shadow man. My shadow. My nobody. Who are you? Oh boy. Okay. Oh yeah. That's me. Sometime. Are we gonna dance? No. Whatever. I don't care. Mr. Dark Douche. I'm out of here. Okay. Now back with the weird music, I think, or the loud noises. Oh yeah, the first. All right, that's what.
Only when the angels scream will you remember. Bring me here the pieces of your life.
The angels screaming. That doesn't sound like angels screaming to me. That sounds like just loud, douchey loudness. I don't like that. No, you're not here. Oh, you suck. I wonder. Alright, do you see any pages? Do I see any pages in the bathroom? No? Nope. Okay. I guess I just have to go for it. Yeah, get out of here. You're nice. I like you too. Why are you so fast, man? Like, you don't look that fast when I look at you, but in all actuality, you're fast. That's... Oh my god. It's just so dark. I feel like I don't have a chance to really, like, look at anything. Because I'm constantly... Oh my god! Oh, you pulled a fast one on me. You pulled a Houdini. Is there a thing here? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. I don't see any. Alright, why are you so fast and creepy? I don't like you. Get away from me. don't love you. I don't want to be your girlfriend or you, whatever you think I am. Oh, he's still behind me. It's unbelievable. How far behind me? Alright, he's not that close, I guess, but enough to see me. Alright, that's... Are you coming? No? Did you forget the... You forget the hallways? Oh, yes, I'm right here. Yeah, you forgot. You're not too bright, are you? Let's go, dum-dum. I want to see how much distance I could get from him. Yeah, stay there and forget that I exist. No, just get away from me. No, that was the wrong. Sound like a overly excited puppy. Alright, now let's look around. Let's really look. Is that a... Angels! I need to hear that angel cry. Alright, I feel like he's gonna be coming soon. So I'm just gonna chill here until the sound goes off. No. Come on, angels. Yep, okay. Man, if this was what hell was like, I would be upset. That the quality wasn't better. Maybe I should go back here? No, that's where I came from. This game is so glitchy. Oh, you're right there. Oh, great. Perfect. Come on, Happy. Oh. On that hallway now? Or are we gonna do this? I would like you to keep following me this way, please, since I already checked there. Huh? No, did he go back? Did he go back the way he came? I don't see you. Where'd you go, buddy? It's dark. It's way too dark. I don't want to chance that. You might catch me with my pantalones then. Oh, that is terrifying. Keep going this way. CV pages. Is that you? Is that him? No. Yep, that's him. That's him. Oh, what the heck, man? Ah, yeah, come this way. Yeah, you can keep coming this way. I hope you don't get any faster. Oh my. I'm sorry about that. My mouse just went weird. He seems to... Alright, I don't know why he didn't follow me for very long. Alright, now's my chance. Look around, look around. Is that... Oh, wait. Is that a... Seriously? It's gonna be in places like that? And is that another one? Yes! Alright. It's done. I got all three pictures. Oh my god! Oh, I forgot about that. You are so creepy. Alright. Now... I don't know what to do now. I guess I'm just gonna backtrack and see what happens. That'll be the safest thing, since I know that guy isn't there. I could just avoid him at all costs for now. Thank God that noise is over. Oh. Drip, drop. Do I go back on this? No? Okay. I guess not. I guess not. Hold on. Sorry, just fixing something. And we're back. Okay. I'm glad I don't have a limited flashlight or sprint. That really helps. If he gets me again, I'm going to be really upset. Oh boy. Here he is. Please forget about me. You don't want any of this. You don't want none. This game is really distorted. Alright. Come on. Let's go. I don't want to have to collect this stuff again. You suck. You suck. Thank you for being an idiot. You just lonely? Like me? Alright, I heard a door open. Where's that door going to be opening? One of these holes? Alright, let's just go down this way, I guess. Alright, how do I escape this guy? Nope, I don't see the door. Just looping again, just looping again. Oh. Yeah, come this way, bro. Come this way. I'm done here. Oh! Oh my god. He was closer than I thought. I don't like you. You sound so weird. Just leave me alone. Why you sound like you're right on top of me? Oh, that's not right. That's not right. Okay, music's getting weird now. I don't think I did anything special, did I? I didn't go where I was supposed to. Oh my god. What the hell is that?
Now I remember.
Yeah?
My girlfriend, my house, my family.
Yeah, okay.
Holidays.
Yeah, those pictures. Oh, okay. This room got bigger. Okay. The holidays. The hallway. Open up door. Yes. Oh, chapter 2. Lovely. How many chapters? What the? Oh, I'm in the heart. I'm in the heart.
Oh my god, what the hell is this place?
You don't sound too
I feel
concerned,
that
buddy.
Someone
Number 8?
or something is watching me.
Something number 8?
There's something moving into the darkness.
A 0. Oh, wait, is there other numbers? An 8, a 0, a 4. Okay, I feel alright. Puzzle coming along. I'm a genius. Oh, a 2, 1. Okay. Alright, I'm not very good at remembering stuff, but we'll see. 2408, something like that. Let's go. Maybe that might fall. I might fall to my death if I go down there. Oh, okay. I didn't know this was going to have multiple chapters, to be honest. I thought this was going to be a quick playthrough and done, but... oh. First number... The first number is 4.5... no, it's a quarter of the fourth number. The last number is even. Okay, I didn't... Oh, man. I read that way too slow. Alright, that's okay. That's okay. Alright. Oh, wait. It disappears and then it pops back up. Okay. The first number is a quarter of the fourth number. The last number is even. The second number is the smallest. The fourth number is double the last number. The third number is bigger than the first. Okay. So the fourth number is double the last number. The last number is even. It's an even number. So it could be... Wait. Okay, so the fourth number is double the last number. So 8 would be the fourth number. Okay. And then... Yeah. No. Yeah, 8's the fourth number. 4 is the last number, I would say. The second number is the smallest, 0. The third number is much bigger than the first. Is the first... The third number? Wait, let's go look at the numbers again. I didn't see that many numbers. 4, which is... I believe the last... 5! Okay, that could be the second or the first, I don't know. Okay, so... Okay, hold up. Let's look at that one more time. Riddle? Wait, Riddle. Tom Riddle. The Riddler? What, are you popping back up, Riddle? Oh, boy. Oh, wait, is this... Oh, okay. Alright, so... The first number is a quarter of the fourth number. That is probably 2. The last number is even, 0, so it'd be... 2, 5... Wait, bigger than the first? Yeah. No. What would be the second number then? The second number is the smallest... Alright. Oh man, I'm so confused now. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Bear with me, people. Bear with me. Alright, the first number is a quarter of the fourth number. which I'm assuming the fourth number is 8, because the fourth number is double the last. So the last has to be 4. So it's 205 84. Right? 20584, 20584, 20584. Remember that. 20584. I am so bad at remembering numbers. Oh my god. Okay, how do I enter, do I just punch it in? Enter. Oh, press E. Duh, I'm an idiot. Oh. 2. Yeah. 2 0. Okay. Oh, do I type it in? 20584. Enter. Oh man, I am a genius. I'm curious about what that stairs led to, though. I should have gone down those stairs, but I'm glad I didn't.
Am I going crazy?
Oh, a little bit. Can I open this? Nope. Okay. Can I open this? Oh, I can open things. Alright, maybe... I wonder if there's anything useful anywhere. Probably not. Scary window stuff. Oh, this is a lot more pleasant than what it was. The sounds are really intense. Okay. Okay. Let's open these cabinets, shall we? No, need to open. Watch, something's gonna jump out and scare the living Jesus out of me. No. 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 Ah! Okay. Okay. That's enough of that. Can I open this? Yes. It's my house. Is it? Or an office of some sort? Run down. Alright, let's go in. Can I open this door? This door for me to open? Nope. Okay. Really? I just walked down a dead end? Well, alright, I'm gonna turn around so that things gonna change. Can I not open you? I missed something somewhere. Okay. I guess not. Opening everything's a pain. Never mind then. Can I go in here? No. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see that one. Okay. I'll close it. Just you now. What is there? Could it be riddle? Open the right cabinets in the right order. That's genius. Jump on the chairs. Musical chair. Can I grab the chairs? Alright, door. Just open you. Alright, I'll try opening this. Just you, open door. Just... Stop being a closed door and open already. Alright, I guess not. These keep closing on me. No. Open. No. Oh. Oh. A key. Nope. Press I to pick up the key. Oh, T. I'm sorry. Oh. I've got the key. Does that mean T picks up other things? Oh boy. Something bad's gonna happen, isn't it? Now that I have a key, something bad's gonna happen. I know it. Oh, okay. It was just a door. Oh! Alright. I'm outside. Okay. Well, I think that's a good time to cut it, you know, so I will be continuing. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.
I only call you when it's